Trump is a downright robber, and inviting him to the Middle East was a colossal mistake. We thought he'd come to negotiate cooperation, but all he wanted was to make deals without putting up a single cent of capital. And to think I gifted him $400 million, Boeing 747-8 jet. We welcomed him with the grandest of courtesies, yet even the camels of the desert have more dignity than this man. He talks of historic partnerships with his lips, but his greedy eyes are fixed solely on our natural gas reserves and bank accounts. The first thing he did was demand we invest in his tacky hotel sand. Then he had the audacity to hint that refusing would mean reconsidering the US military bases. By God, since when is this diplomacy? He's worse than a bizarre vendor haggling over prices. At least they offer goods in exchange. Now I see his so-called art of the deal is just sleight of hand to take what he wants for nothing. May Allah guide the American people to elect someone who at least knows the meaning of shame next time.